And the one that is very good for a detoxification formula is what? Good sleep.
Talaga to. Ito yung
Yes.
nakakalimutan
When-
ng iba. Kasi akala nila, uminom na ako or kumain na ako ng healthy, enough na to.
When you
Kailangan
sleep,
pala.
your body now recharge.
Nagre-regenerate.
Rejuvenate. Ano ba ang kailangan ayusin? Ano bang ano? So when you wake up in the morning, very nice, tawag lagi ninyo, fresh.
Fresh.
Tama.
Glowing.
Quality sleep.
Glowing.
Pero halimbawa po, Doc, yung iba kasi, di ba, nag-shake-shake na mga ganyan, na mga prutas, gulay. Pero yung iba, meron pa rin silang mga sweet cravings. Sign na po ba yun na kailangan magbawas na sila or mag-detox na sila sa sugar? Kasi normal po ba yung mga sweet cravings?
Celine, you have to check your blood. Your blood sugar.
Okay.
Kasi baka may pre-diabetic signs ka na.
Nako.
Now kasi, disclaimer, di ako diabetologist. Pero siyempre, meron tayo sinasabi. Lalo na usong-uso na ngayon sa kabataan, yung pre-diabetic. When you say pre-diabetic,
Yeah.
hindi ka pa nandun sa diabetes. Pero, papunta na kasi
Borderline.
tumataas na yung blood sugar
Nako.
mo. Yes, you say, even the craving for sugar is there. Okay, ang sabi natin, kumuha ka ng formula ng detox mo. How much sugar is there? You will not even know. Do they put it in ano? So it's better that you do it.
Yes.
No, feeling ko kasi if you want a detoxing juice or whatever, you do it, you get the organic substance. When you say organic, yung mga leaf, yung mga vegetables, mga fruit, ikaw na
Fresh produce.
Mura lang naman ng shake, di ba?
Yes.
O just do it and drink. That's
Bagay.
okay.
Kaysa ibili na ng mga 3-day detox na yun na lang.
Yeah, I'm not discounting kasi siyempre ititipid mo na lang yan,
Okay.
Diyos, 'di ba? Yan ang advice ko sa'yo. Titipid mo na lang yan, do yourself, do your own, do it by your yung parang self detox.
Self-made. Yes.
Self-made, yung ganun.
DIY.
But lagi natin sinasabi, detoxification is just a word. It's like cleansing that can be done carefully. Now, if you're not sure and you're readily obese, have a doctor to look at it. Kasi baka sa sobrang kaka-reduce mo, magkasakit ka.
May healthy way naman.
Oo, kasi baka ma-compromise yung ating organ system na sinasabi ko na nade-detox. Your skin, your lungs. Your skin, your liver, your
Kidneys.
and
Tama,
what's
yung
the other
lungs.
one?
Lungs. Skin lang. So, so parang ang takeaway ngayon is, Doc, ang katawan natin talaga, nagdi-detox naman siya on its own. Kailangan mo lang tulungan. Hindi mo na kailangan ng mga special pa ng mga bagay-bagay. Just need to help yourself, help your body to detox itself.
Except simple, bago tayo di ba yung running? Ang dami nangyayari, di ba?
Yes.
Napawisan ka. Humihinga ka ng...
Hinihingal ka.
Oh.
Lahat na nandun na.
nag-cleanse. Minsan, nag-urinate ka.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, sabay-sabay yun eh. That is part and parcel of detoxification
Yes.
of your own body organ mechanism.
Tama.
Alright.